Unit 10, review, question 30. An airplane flies an altitude of 5 miles towards a point directly over the observer. Write theta as a function of x. Okay, so we want to solve for theta. How can we do that? So in relation to this angle, we know an opposite side. So I have an opposite side, and I'm trying to achieve a distance eventually of an adjacent side. So which one of the primary trig functions involves opposite and adjacent? That would be tangent. So the tangent of this angle is opposite over adjacent, which means for this problem it's 5 over x. So tangent of theta equals 5 over x. Now how do we write theta as a function of x? So in order to get theta by itself, we're going to take the inverse of it, right? So I'm going to take the inverse of this, which is the arctangent. So I'm going to do the arctangent of this, and I'm able to get an arctangent of this, and now theta is by itself. So theta equals arctan of 5 over x. Let's look at B. Let me first plug it into the calculator. The first thing we need to recognize here is we are looking for this angle, and so this angle is going to be in terms of degrees. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you've changed it from radians to degrees. Then I'm going to do the arctangent, inverse tangent of 5 over x, exactly what we have here. And then the output will be this angle theta. So we're going to set x equal to 0 to 25, and then I'm going to do a zoom fit. And I can draw this picture of what this looks like. And now let's get an output here. So what is going to be the angle when this distance x is a distance of 6? We can see the angle is about 39.8. 39.8 degrees. Now let's find this angle, second trace angle, at 0. And at 0, it does not exist here. So what does that mean? What does it mean if we don't have an answer here? In this case, it means it's straight up at 90. So if this is 0, it means it is going straight up overhead, which is creating a 90-degree angle. I know that's a point of clarification for a lot of students are seeking. Again, if this distance does not exist, so it's not a distance of 6. If this distance does not exist, that means the plane would be directly overhead. If the plane is directly overhead, that's how we get the angle here of 90 degrees.